We had a great time in Melrose, obviously, with my friend Catherine Clark and with Irving, who is a veteran and a survivor of D-Day. So we were sharing tales, as my own dad was in World War II, served in the Pacific on the USS Caperton. He was talking about his time, and he said, you know, I don't consider myself a hero. I consider myself a survivor. And we agreed that he and so many of our men and women who lost their lives in World War II, and those who came back to make this country where it was the greatest generation, really do deserve our thanks, because even though they don't want to be called heroes, they certainly are.